se be plaster chia edwafo enkwaten entrona oboase be plaster uko yendi kura ye be plaster your service is good ye jini pa wo ude wa utim say yes hotel ni odande obiase ye be plaster won kwantanum ye ne Pentecost asodan no ene ye opposite me akrobeto hotel we minum wan bewu se me kobi krom a ehwa de meda be plaster you can never resist. Your telephone number ni 0243 118500 0243 B Plaza Hotel. Buku and Sakwa no abeda ho and your sleeping tablet. B Plaza. Sorry, B Plaza. Come there, enjoy yourself. You can't resist. Acrobato, I will enjoy the place. Thank you very much.
Aha, Nika, wakano ho. Hey, ofo wasi, enanso be badasem.
Kwa kumisi mimudi yemi.
Ah, bisa. Atuadi. Bisa ntimenya kwa ine. Hey, bra. Nyabutre. Yenko bisa nyame heba kreni. Eya yarisa bia sronko a. Ho. Omu afidi a okwa wonsai na de atoso. Ebe kire yade woni paduan mu na. Na owi wasan kire anu aduru. Bisa nyame heba kreni. Umuni kokwa ama okwa omnim kwa sade. Na de manyaw. Wa wi kontomlem no. Yenko say yes stroke, diabetes, koko. Enam yade bia. Say gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV. Enokra de otenete ebe ye ho. Bisa nyame heba clinic. Obemu wadu atu asese ta. Na mo a etwe omo so no. Owadu ebe yini napie. Yade ontumi sa kwata. Ena chacha asa. Diake na soabra. Bisa nyame heba clinic. O how to be twa. Na dia de kra ne se oba onu ma card, folder. Ena se obehu dokota. Ni na ye kwa. Ye nje ohwe. Enfidi do be fam ni na so untua bibia. Genya ne se okuta 50 Ghana. Ana 1 million 100 cedis. Ni amount do say tam. Me patro hwemati kwan e wa chimo dan. Quarters. Usi ya bisa kwadampo. Ye be cho ba bia bisa nyame heba clinic wo. Ana afre dokota pani. E wo 0544 127 709. Ana se 0246 824 135. Bisa nyame heba clinic. Bisa nyame na obejo so basin abro ma nanonda say ya
Ghana Akuafue Adama West Africa emamo adwuma o Adama West Africa eye agrochemical company wo Israel na watena se ahwehwem ahunu se Akuafue tomne bia emfue timi gimafuo nyina e de boso ni titiru ene esre se esre na agi wafuo aboso dia ene na mekanfo agile e de amount wudua no bi ti se enkruma tomatoes nyadoa watermelon meko ayoyo anafei abroba abra esre na fifi fofora eba no hwehwe agile na first spray esre so ansa no watu akwa akotim anasa wo de watimi mpo awie no na wo de agile spray esre ni nyina so hye no so mema esre ni nyi bebre ansana de agile akwa spray so de hia se wo ba hwehwe 10 tomatoes enketo no wa hye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yi mu na du ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhyerene a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no akuafo mo nso dua bibi ti se beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekumfue na se prekopɛ edi free sa no be yi ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se emfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu emfue na se nyina wo to vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils ana se obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wo di nso 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina ana se wo befre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana Akuafo ye jimudi
Ohima mianka mbojuma e wompem na asema eme wompem pa o
Minua kawa kuma ato yem amaje heba clinic esa enyadewa nyina wono esa enyadewa bi te se bema wayemre e wompem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi te se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na watenete e de amawo
se krampo na mefe dware bana so me ho keka me de se zongola chichi e na achimio
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguho anasa woni pedie nyina ayemre udane weni e de kire amaje heba clinica wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom e de ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru ubehu amaje heba clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di enfeni mu fra won ewo telephone number edidi soyi eso 0244 877 840 anasa 0205 045 655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wayaresa.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
See, they put me on the track cause they know I make it famous. R-I-C-H-I-E cause my people know the name is A-S-E-M, you know the name, right? When they hear the beat, they be screaming out my name, right? I take
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
To all my ladies, wanna see you dip it low. To everybody here, I wanna see you give me blow. No, we say I the rush, but Charlie, I be cool. And all the ladies say they wanna see what I can do. They say they kinda like the way I make my body move. See you ballin' with the king, I ain't got nothing. Tiny, G-T-I, double and wide, tiny. Now me alone tell ya, wo, ninga kwadu ye kon. Waka show lengele no, hekwe, tektule no, tektule no.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I can taste it. It's a mistake, Kwabena Kwesti. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3.
Sunday, Papale, I still day, man. I'm never stopping it. I this a bad man, in the way I'm dropping. Viva la, no bread fiati. No me say I the rush, but Charlie I be tiny. They call me sexy man when I don't want time. I let check bonto, low money nami.
Say we don't for studio ya. I say we share the name and studio we need a jar. I fail my science, I blank here, rabbit ya. Give me blow, blow. Say we don't for studio ya. I say we share the name and studio we need a jar. I fail my science, I blank here, rabbit ya. Give me blow. N-S-E-M and some. Over that anthem. N-S-E-M and some. Alright, check it. I'm the dusty neo, mina minyo. Slow, everybody give me blow. Man, you slow. Oh yeah, I feel the flow. Oh, your man is so slow. I feel it, yes, you know. Me clap to clap. Me clap, mu clap. Me find my now me rap, ya me yeah, rap, mu rap. And man, say me chimney, who but them still they love. And then my say me pity me, who them jaw the drop. And then my say me yeah, now me press me stop. Start with me one more, and one man problem slow.
Me like say no ne huno, man no the den ne kuno, me hu for fan ne nuno, me nyum the den bubuno. Ni suba pano me huno, tina me pen me buno, tina me yen ne kuno. Is the kid that you want to eat me feel really easy. DJ nyum ne sia ban replay feel some believe some in easy. Hey get busy, young colleague get it take it easy. So what you never feeling no believe in Jimmy D at say kunta kinte. But you my show my show. When you show
your name to my name, and that will be your claim to fame. The two of us go play the game and put the enemies to shame. Your life will never go be the same. My love for you to know the change. I'm not afraid to give you my heart, body, soul, and my life. And I will call you my wife, cause today
hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
I'm the best, I'm on the rest. Your ex they love me because of sex. For me, my own beloved at first. My own beloved at first. For me, my own beloved at first.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I can taste it. It's a mistake, Kwabena Kwesti. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. Easy.
This is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Charlie Radio so I tasty. It's a meeting up in a cost. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3.
I be you know that the big boy love I for take a lambi. Yes, yeah, maybe a busu baby. Talewati. Menyan libi, I for take a lambi. Yes, yeah, maybe a busu baby. Talewati. Okay, Talewati. New move be. Sexy girl be, okay, it's a new groove be. Shiny shoe be, and then it dance be. Your friend Ruby watching the sexy pants be. Chale what say? I said to now berry. Chale what say? Maybe sanamati. I be you know that the biggie boy lover. If I catch you, let you know say no. I'm like be, I for take a lambi. Yes, yeah, maybe a busu baby. Talewati.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Shaky khaki, when you bien flurry draw shaky hanky, make you come see stone at the wrong keys, countries, boundaries. I was bunking, rub your foot back, watching the whole pack. No size, no brack, shall it go back? Yes, see me girl, so mommy, and I'm a soko, so mommy, or so mommy. When him dear me, yanka, what's so mommy? Song, big stone, a book a chain, flip phone, rap this, ya download the me star, me feel it is a ringtone, change, shine, this a ninja, basic, big Jiddy, the biggie that did the 50 behind the city, the film, the film, the film, the beliefs, the budget, minimum, sorry, the beliefs are bad. No, me, money,
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. It's a meeting up in a cost. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3.
When you talk, yeah. Are you ready? You know the name, right? So fly. Ladies say I'm so fly. Say I'm born with it cause they know that I don't try. Say I'm so high that your hands can't reach. I'ma show you something that your man can't teach. I'm the one that turn a good song to a hit. So these girls, they be screaming for me. You know the name, right? They put me on the song cause they know I'm the shit. So these girls, they be feeling for me. And so I stay fly. I'm the boss, I'm the king. Nigga, couple papa pies. So my phone keep ringing. They go. The Mid Morning Show. Ya faili, ya pipe ya swashanka ya traili, tina maya weli, ya jane fidienti. Fribisane nyame ne wa ye di kan hunu hain, yesi kan ne wa time chini chanyama ho bai, lande pai, jani chai malo pai ba ko fu ma wa mai, minimum ye no nyina kan ho na e fly fire time. Yenyi na wa Ghana, ye te ha twemana, etio boni bina, o me ye ni yansa, just say ye ni nyansa, obi apeso kwanta national eno ne answer. Kwame ye fi one and sana ya butu, unita bayana, and so whoop a sebutu, by your dana wumputu, Petu Yaria Petu, about Fabias and Waputu, that we want Sanya Kuku, that be the video. See, we're searching for the answer, cause we wanna live a happy ever after. Hey, we should open a new chapter, so we can write a story again, cause we're killing the game.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Money on money basa, DJs, artists, producers, fans, na ye bibia basa. Kwame China menkasa, to the piano me dressa, and no baby, you made the piano, na ye dasa. Say a nice one, yet a club or rinsa, na idia konya baka klebina benya nasa. Producer take out so much when you know what and so distribution and so promotion so one for so. What's in your no who no super soul mix it. I feel no near one way I know where this it. Oh, you say hip hop is dying, why fix it? Ayola maja you did in your meeting, Jamase. Kwame, Opuwa, Libetanium tour. Nama twa so fancy one. Oh, mamma,
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
Keep the music playing, we going like I want you to know say you sexy, girl you sexy, girl you sexy, my baby. I want you to know say you sexy, girl you sexy, girl you sexy. That girl from Ghana, me I know where she from. Nigeria, me I know where she from. Liberia, me I know where she from. What you know if that girl come from South Africa? I want you to know say you sexy, girl you sexy, girl you sexy, my baby. I want you to know say you sexy, girl you sexy, girl you sexy, my baby. Girl of the week, girl of the week, girl of the way you whine it. Girl of the week, girl of the week, girl of the way you shake it. Girl of the week, girl of the week, girl of the way you whine it. Girl of the week, girl your body kill me. Hot kill me, baby, girl you're so fun.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
We're taking over this industry. We're taking over all them girls. We're taking over the street and the clubs. We're taking over right now. Taking over, taking over, taking over right now. Taking over, taking over, taking over right now. I'm only being me. Do what I do, but till I die, like I'm B.I.G. I represent to my last breath. Now they envy me, I never can you tell me, maman, be saying. Et j'ai dit, Jacques, il y a personne dans l'industrie, à part moi, il y a personne. Je suis le meilleur, si vous m'aimez pas, it's whatever, tant pis. Je m'en fous, je suis béni, j'ai ma vie. Toujours pop des mal filles, who I be. Legendary funny, yeah, they hate me, cause I'm getting girls like a Mike Larry. My destiny, is to lead them to follow me. So they go feel rock, bitch on every track. But they no go catch me cause I'm gone like a living. When they no be in top, so they no go fi catch me. In this industry, we're taking over this industry. We're taking over all them girls. We're taking over the street and the clubs. We're taking over right now. Taking over, taking over, taking over right now. Taking over, taking over, taking over. When I turn, I'm on the man and I am just so many which I got in this off. If you, me, my boy, you do some of them, I made them, my niece will be you. Team, my judge, and I'm and we are them when you know, Mamma was at touch about your heart, and that's like I did for thought. I'm taking over me, my boy. Me, my boy, rap them for how, made them rap them in Papa, then we to me in a Mako cow, but skinny, made them in a name with to me in sound. Tell me, be the minute, and I'm star. Now, what's rebel brothers? Now, what you do? Me raps and my out, now we Bluetooth, so with your best rapper life.
Have a blessed day.
Spooky Pulo. Bring it back, what's my name? Castro, where I'm from, they don't know that they look like
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
And that's right. We're actually taking you back. Gone the days, crunk music was the ish. So you just said Breakfast Mookie, Pop Skinny, and most definitely we're taking over. Midweek edition of Adwuma. Here on the 3.3 of It's exactly 35 on top of the earth. Are you still here? 93.3 of 16th day of the month, February 2022. And the music on the background coming from my bravo because this one in Kontumpo. Right, so beautiful Wednesday morning. Let me say good morning to each and everyone who has actually tuned into the best mid-morning here in the municipal. Of course, my name is Jenny Champon Boat and the customers call me Jibru's Money. Call me a Branton Part, the perfect gentleman. Call me Kobina Costi.
Some other believers even declare holy war. But I beg, Charlie, tell me what be holy about this war.
Right, so we here from 9 to 12 p.m. and show produced by Kosu the Padumas, Mr. Charles Nanato Pahin, and my man Kobe K. DJ Shabo is under the weather. Speedy recovery, bro. Obi I want to say. Obi I want to say. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. To all my taxi drivers and also to all my cherished listeners. I want to say. Feel good to be on radio, yeah? Right, so you all, I mean, you know what we do. Good music. I swear. You know, we give each and every day. Whilst you're working, and you make sure your day goes as expected. And I'm here to do justice to it. Trust me, I'm ever ready to serve you. Good morning once again. Good morning to my taxi drivers. Now, I'm far road going on to as well. Brother David, good morning. Stagger One, good morning. Apasco, good morning. MP3, Obata and Obama. Bright Wheezy. And a super. I said if when you name Salum the Gambia. The name of the farm, Salum the Gambia. Alright, so send your messages through 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. Now, let me do justice with my Ahenkan for more. 0594-841-044. You can join me live on Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Live on Facebook now, leave your comments and I'll read them for you.
Nibana fono brana Bese mi kumyana sheye muma I promise everybody else yeah me rawo That is me rawo I'm gonna go to money oh yeah
Nkofo bi num no kra wo krom haba omonka
Penika je wani tia no wo
kontompo de odi kan kokko Ebenezer. See, never let your sense of morale prevent you from doing what is right, yeah? Kokko Ebenezer.
Consultation number. Yes, Christo Bako, Draco Prono Bako, about it just getting to more that be where the differ. When we are minipa, for any be deeper, and the Debbie our car when him Trenya Mesompa challenge. It's not funny anymore. No, some other believers even declare holy war. But I beg, Charlie, tell me what be holy about this war. And then the Pamotana Debbie, if you what more? Maybe I said, and he better say, Akuma, Nibana Fono Brana. I promise everybody else. Yeah. Yes, my Benya Safonia, Monte anything yes mano papa so bo ma de say no nemum ye de fata no ene wo sabe ko wa no ejaje wo na fa no amanyo se me adwuma mu podi nyina ye kanana no kanana ye de abobia to ye trim propaganda no o man pani fodi no kweta se de ama o mamma no ene wo che de so kwanda so ye ne mo ye danta no de obenya kukodu aka no na ya bona no adamu de ne bu apayo ahusenti na wayo jodi papa na wanye no ye boni man say as no one no kwe na so me no kwe ye jasam no huntra henti hu ne fo masi bre and ada den koto krani afi ya ye shebre o man ada den ko besie atu nipa ne bre ye bre atu be na ye go de ye ya ma ke ye ni na ye ni ya no do bre ye say go jamasa no femfem ye so nipa da sa ni ko gina he ko kan e wi asise bi no mo gidi ni go won so woni wonya dwan ade na obefa won ho tan trust am no say no make kind your friend bonne se papa ne papa se bonne mfanya mento chacha e wi asise dem so ni What mama at the mind, me pentiminti and the mind, more up man, the fire at the mind, man, Rossi Mike, one of the mic tea. I have flexi, minding, if you are not blessed, Mike and start a rhyme, he make a TDCN. Michael, you hear the punch, rewinding, you hear the boy, the rhymes and let your bed the boy, reminding that in prison, I'm a wise and a solo one. Timo dog is so point. Haters, Muluku, one, come and a Mazamu, Jojo, one, a Matana Masa was woman, Boba, ever oh, if you know with the boom, will separate to qualify, I mean, so far, move flow, you're so bad, I'm a better move to rap from my mic, and a low bar, to beat in a tofa, and I'm going to total, but share my kill beat to my hammer, oh God.
We are sure that we grab a pen. One packet hit at twice back 10. Over baby, me, I was checking out for some. Yamacha, Yama, we would yarn the fem. Okay, and he was looking by Muka. Rapper Holly, Grandpapa, Macama. And you want to swim to why would you so Yakapa? Yeah, we need to tell them rap, not Germany, if I can.
Obine trap na chibela, madam trap na solo. Mo promise you the later pass and billing it on my shop. Me deliver I'm in labor, me let you to catch so home in 2 months for rap and bend the what petrol na matches for her. You go back to access member rushing matter catch it. If you want them to hustle, then my party start fasting. Me I stand to hustle until sub and do your battle. Beat my kill a bread, leave it asthmatic. May a king of the coast, it's your king at the foot. I wanna whoop Bruce Lee and mama want them my foot. I want them my broke. Okay, more kill them bosu. Mo point him back at once, but shall kill and the fool. Fitness bitten that the hammer we feel him. Assume be matin, or you're sick, we treat him. And Pala watching some rapper coming away feeding. The beat him at a tone, and the cake and kick him.
We are sure that we crowd a pen. Yes, one packet hit at twice back 10. Over the PM, I was checking out for 7.
The
Hey there, the problem. Welcome to my residence. Barack Obama, I'm your president. 100 pair of shoes, can you step in them? Cause I'm trying to clean out my closet like Eminem. Or at least follow his legacy, but be shady, no slim, no sniff coke, no, but we still dope. Refuse to be broke, give these kids hope, make them know to be on the low. If they wanna blow, they can go wherever they wanna go, but never to forget where they're from. How life was tough when everything seemed wrong. Now you won like LeBron, but remember you'll be gone someday, and we'll mourn from dusk till it's done. So be modest, we're the hardest like we were born in August. Who jobless, no man cares. Our aim was to come first, and surely we on target.
When I was share, oh no, me na me kono. Me trapping at Chibila, me trapping at Chibila, me trapping at Chibila, me trapping at Chibila. When I was share, oh no, when I'm kono. Me trapping at Chibila, me trapping at Chibila, me trapping at Chibila. It's on the bill. Boogies or trapping at Chibila, me say the trapping at Chibila. And you wanna wish I could.
Right, so tell me, how is it feeling? I just want to know. How is the feeling this morning? Feeling to send market, feeling to send taxi, feeling to send them through 0594 841
Don't hit me, please hit my maker.
I don't pay feeling to say, whether who to say. How much you whether not Jojo me pound.
Alright, because I'm share the science. I'm the sexa. If you are me here the tight.
I'm coming now.
But the next
I'm going to die who
Fuck you, rest in peace.
Alright, so I'll give you motivation. I will send you the GV. That way, I have to ask for the idea. Boys, baby, now. I'm on your one than I'm sure saying now, I'm trapped with Chibila. Vaya de ese graya tongu. Oh boy, I'm wire who any pilonia. Yeah, bro. Oh my days. Alright, so 45 after 10. My mom motivational message, yeah. Now, so our daily dose of motivations is brought to you by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And of course, Color Studio are ready for Opesawa Hayano. Na Obichawo wedding, and now say Obichawo birthdays. A year crown, I hope I say. Ucha video the two honor or the kind seven that chibia, now the chiro be that jam. If I Color Studio and Digital Embroidery say. Manu de Sicano Pegun Boto, waiting in the hands of a Canatum, Freno. I feel saw your picture framing. Vows then ye dear, but still your new year because we are still in the month of love. And I know you'd want to show love to your, someone special. It's a corner of a good photo shoot to be a picture frame, Cassia, Fako hang it more. Dear never say over sorry, Anopa. Now be peja with ya shower war. Now be who's someone very close to you or Taliban home. On Zephyr, with the one Casafa quadrum. It's a beautiful experience. Oh, sorry, no pa. Oh, my mom, baby. Oh, sorry, no pa. Oh, yes, oh, share or war, no one share or time. We was a watching in China, someone special, so what's now visit? I say, yes, in the audio. Maybe Color Studios and Digital Embroidery now when you be my about 9 home. After Jamaica, Mutie me and I say school for sorry for Mutie me, person with t-shirt and a Costa. Monko Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Or your embroidery need in my a drone you may ask that you took on your toso. A brinking. Over brain that you banker F pan. You watch more than you now feel back when this is your born so you have to Sonia. It's a bra. Opsit Kiddo Pharmacy, Liberty Transport Bridge, and this one I've been here. Prayer 0245 276 0245 276 Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And Joe Boremo. Now, my main concern being Joe. Now, there's some mouse story be happening some time ago. So be very careful what you touch today, because you know not what should come out of it tomorrow. Be very careful what you touch today, because you know not what should come out of it tomorrow. I would do say can, you know. And now I will say no, and you know. I would take it for granted, and you know. Because who named the Ochinabi Ebe Dani and Ochinabi the Ebe. Now let me share with you a short story. Not say as we are seeing. So it may be a chemo. Baba wabi efanyi sen na ofanyi sen no o si onye ready because be man kra enan tokwa ochina say enti onankasa on shada hu be man adwen enti ofa no ho adwen say anka nyi sen no obeyi egu baby. It was 7 Bemon in the Yamokra or the Marcel Titino. be money na nyom no de bia na ntokwa de bia na say nti onhu be ma na adwen papa say be ma me be wo ma ni obetre ne ho ahwe me ene ma me mpa bibi na me yin sayingu da baba wa we ready say obeye saa de no osi onim ni ye kan no ohun ya say edro na obenom no agye fini se ma bo ho abai osi me go kotofofro so on the way okokotofofro no ena onya adwen satra say there bi ni etie bia me wo akwala we a obedidi se be man yi nani ma me kra still obedidi enti ma me wo no odi arewo ni ani ade ni ade a ena de wo akwala ibe wi ase akwala ni ye be ma oh bouncing baby boy very handsome boy to semia na 17 ni tietie nyi an say sa oba we ebo modi mianyania hwa akwalai ma akwalai ebe ye ni party tree abusia be ma yanka mmiri bi ye yi de gunu ana akwalai yanka ye yi na gu akwalai ebe ye ni pakase ebie companies our employ enipa mako 16,000 check it na ofa nipa mako 1,000 kra na ule nipa 600 kra na se utwe obi aka 1,000 kra sese ba ofa nipa mako 16,000 company na obi ye no eye company kesi a ye bibie bi wom ye ntade ye paint ye mpaboa ye ofuo ye nyoma kesa enti nipa wo fam odwumi no mu edos 16,000 na when adako mami it's not the no friend baka che ne ba no say maya oboni bi na facha me emiri bi atwa mu tama me nyom no nka me yiwagu na ene me pese wo ka kire wadwuma yefo nyina se me ne wom ewo meeting bi na men kan se min kiro wom oni adwuma fo ni sha ka kiro mo se mo fast da manyankopon because enyanya me na kan makoma anka nem nipa makoma ko 16,000 amu hoyi anka mo wo fia mo ni adwuma bi edi because abranti ogina hey eyo no na daroma ene nem mudidi ana mo ye adwuma bosome kakra eba mo botom na sa abranti we ya enyanya me anka me yini guye eti anka me yini guye anka me nim se masai nipa mo wo hanya adwuma what's in common as it eti mo nyina on behalf of my boss mo fast da manyame na fe be se gira moni apa mo nyina cho senka me di saboni we ya anka na mo nyina mo wo fi asabi e bi kra anka mo busuafo kra ada mo bedi be yeden eti me fa konya we so aka kira mo se omu bia mo ha ene a ene me ba no na yetwa mo ka no be pa cho mo hwe ni ye wo ade a wo pese ene wo sai no se wo pese wo sai bibi ena dwen wo chena ho unim ade a de kro no ebe dane unim emfaso a de kro no ebe ma ama afoforo unim ade kro no eso mfaso a ebe ye ama wi asafa na nyina eti me pa cho se ene wafa adwen bi se wo be sai bibi a na wonya abotre because that chi biba son faso no be yekese na enya won kwa na obetwa son faso no na emom afoforo enso betwa son faso eita no pa yankran sha
You da be 30 minutes tomorrow no dey eyepa san fabra mo.
Me din dey Ahenkan. You to anobites e kono me ne kaso so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye. Enu ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama dey say me tin bo adwuma ye.
Your friend me Abdul Jalil Shaibu. Na me wo haw bia eye se me ne me yere ehia mu a sisia na me ho asani me. E ma me tumrika ekoto obi. Me no mo ye no yare no akọ.
Asa no bites no dey do fa ase sisi ye ya to ya nso. No me ni na akọ. Me ka tre obi o no ma no bites say me do papa e be boa na ma me yare bi e wo ya.
Ano heba bites e na ano heba capsules. Enura yu ko tobi atoni mienu ebom. Ubanya bi ato e wo atimoda ha. Ochini ba drugstore e na Ghana ha. Drugstore bia, heba shop bia, ubanya bi ato. Bites
Bafana kama sama mami, bafana di masama mami, bafana tuminyarewa, na wa mama wedi ya shukrai, usisi ya uya, bafana eba misha, konoria, sasa brenda maya ume, bafana eba misha, handi basi, sufalish munamure, abiyi duro mujata, bafana eba kapso, unum kapsos na unum misha. Open for an enum, wouldn't feed me no jay, and what you'll be at me no. Now, Ubenya Bafa Mr. in the capsules or may move a beer tone pabia. Those upon Fred Buffer so I can send what 0553511501 or 0208233058. Buffer, Ujidia Jonkwa.
Awofo me wo good news bi e de mamo se wonim se enka ne no na se wo ba ko private nursing school a wo yam hyehyew se ebia na wonya adwuma anye Ghana ban adarumenti sade no atwem eno nti se wo pese wo ba be ye dachi nurse ni kese pandia ene me kanfo bi mass college e the amount esuku fees e da form boko ye courses bi ti se BSc nursing, diploma in registered midwifery, diploma in registered general nursing, diploma in medical laboratory technology, certificate in family healthcare, near a chat worker, a certificate in professional IT, bra, na show computer software and hardware, and a camera installation, admission, our homa woma, when 6 passes, our wasi in Soshemu, the mass college were affordable and moderate hostels, Emma woman were free a tree ever, there was spacious lecture halls and a library. Now, when students be our home coin say, what you loan, make sure students trust loan, which Ghana card, and ti pay now pay. The mass college were Aguna Swedru. Ye Ben Swedro School of Business. For more enquiries, contact our email on info@bimascollegegh.com or visit our website www.bimascollegegh.com. Over to me Afrayen, it was 0551 528 154 0546 264 129 and now 0332 095 776. Bimas College, yet a tea adachi and nurse for Papa.
Bring it on.
Oh yes, we get some at the Madishanma or more at Sim or down in Patemu. Titri one ma epe akonya akwa senior high school. No ma kwa was since or an action yemu. Esan say National Senior High School was Santimantemo ya Sanimani say Great National Abe Piemo ewa wada nene Patema. Aya ni just Samson kokra. Courses now where you be a business, general arts, visual art, home economics, general science, general agriculture, general business certificate of examination. Remedial classes in so what they touch what the amount great national and fast track remedial akaboma was what the classes by so at the amount ewa range experimental JHS and no ewa achimoda nkwantenum ECG office and then actually one ma classes no echa se awia no means 3 p.m. 50 duada ekopim efia de bia enunti wasi 2022 no ko na ko register ewa great national opese of fire forms ni bia for ni chiremu ewa achimoda stop over fast track for 110 in one ma from penny for I was 0244 92 36 36 TNBM 0244 92 36 36 Fred Great National was say your 8 A's dream is done to you.
I am standing tall. Bring it on.
Salute. Hey. When we send your
police in your draw. Imbusaba mesa amama huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense wa beka ho.
Ahwade immune system o Nyankopon. E de reni peduade mu samoya ho ban no. Enna sa wonom imbusaba mesa e peja immune system na bribia. Ya yare antimiu. Sese die amanfo dodo no a na di imbusaba mesa do ne ho adanse ese. Enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so. Ene nyarewa kese anka ya wuti ni din ene ho ka. Na oyemu ahyew nyina no. Ebo ye ho ban efiri ho. Enna wo mpo a omu wanyarewa ne dada. No omunum doctor enuro no. Enum imbusaba mesa no a emo ahoden pintin. Ya wo munti mpo se yare ese omu ho. Imbusaba mesa ewo kansi ene o maimu babia yeton enuro. Etufo mfre 0246 208496. Imbus heba mesa. Police ni no edro no. Enkratwe FDA asayase.
Mido, asa na de fia ye hrampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ye hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada nyoma ania te se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba de na ahohura poto bi de isi.
Eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata asusu nyina so atese wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo eye JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won sai uhu ana. Ai enu aso na me de wohoro nchaasi mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
Ban wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po matu a ubenya bi ewo kasoa Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 ana 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudi ni body say
eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Hey, banjo. Why go?
Masa, St. Andrews asembubu wayek machine biomo. Afie we die eye buta
7A's 6A's and 5A's no abruso
enti sesei sa wo beto forms e wo St. Andrews SHS a the results ni bi na hwansa
afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university
wow we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so
eno ntise wako school bi akofeli poto
e mane hawo kra
for ani tremu St. Andrews SHS. Say St. Andrews ebi akwenya ama omo kwa form 3.
Enti ma wonye ha na be fa forms na tre wasi May June exams ni bi afia ebe.
Enti masa akwenya we mpa ho fisa me ho yanka na aka echi.
Enti fresisi a na je wo SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 ana 0207 891004. St. Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the lead.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah,
dosso. When we are Makuma the call, see I want to make a josso. Or send me pa, make me go shapo. What to make my friend Coco. Munche for me, patron of my control. So because I'm metroning up the panisson. A book is here, I make Drama Kumba, who make me through as a mini cake in the close school. We see me as tsunami, we are cool. Minuna Boko, she have Taffy, be I true. The take body, your cut the rice and stew. With me, bed, the media chef, I'm a say a brand new from feet to shoe. One I get it, that to be. With me, I'm in the mirror, you be cool, wow, too. Sound of the show, time I'm free, uptown, bad downtown. To me, bed, find me, you know, some of our town. And you know, I said, now, yeah, me, you want town. Mini cross, and I'm a connection, now you're bound. Some straight people dead, now I'm fire with that, go out to show us the time. And I'm coming into a pop, some and anthem. The cabin send a bay at so, Baba, and tell me, it's my assassin, and now grow. So because I'm in a post, I don't and drop. Watch on the way I will produce and share. When it's a Mr. Bugger, when it drop. Baby, I won't cry, taxi, see your cry, just I will drop. Push out some shit from my eye, walk on your heart. As a name most one, I'm out for others, I'm penny, my bro. Because already I came in my form. Submitted and I'm for come. I bet you, come. Just say, I'm not such a minimum. I won't say some, but I can't give me some. Edgeman, Kakra, you bay and you bring Tina, yeah, break. See, Kakra, you bet into you bring Tina, yeah, break. And Niki, Kakra, you bend into you bring Tina, yeah, break. And Johnny, Kakra, you bend into you bring Tina, yeah, break. In Tina, yeah, break. You bring Tina, yeah, break. In Tina, yeah, break. Oh, any brand so John, the brand answer the mess on command. On this show, say man, the in different answer, the DDE. Where am I? At time for me, who is shy? Any who and so, who now, yeah, who know who time for. I cry, yeah, but in Tina, yeah, brand against for encore. Woman, min dabre anka, woman, Betty, and the ma in toi. Oh, guada. In Tina, me con, me ba, a free and the park on sea, and you rain. You bring Tina, yeah, break. See, Kakra, you bet in you bring Tina, yeah, break.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
Represent 97 Volta.
mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Ayo, Adavi mande kuku maple koko deka deka fifila eh. Adavi mande kuku maple koko deka deka fifila eh. Ayo, Adavi mande kuku maple koko deka deka fifila eh.
Akaka fo afafito jujo no manu kata madana woto kukakana na kokba deka avako kata kojo ni yakata manyola. Mi fonu dikanya na no koko biada na kwanu san na ko idomo ya tema la fiado.
Alright, so we are back on your radio. Davi Made Kuku as though Chicago. When you edge your own contoka. Davi Made Kuku Maple Coco de Catavila. Davi Made Kuku Maple Coco de Catavila. Ayo, Davi Made Kuku Maple Coco de Catavila. Ayo, Davi Made Kuku Maple Coco de Catavila. So Chicago as though Davi Made Kuku, right? So this one says good morning, coming across to the mid-morning captain. You are doing fantastic job. Keep the fire burning. Piao. I send you for you now any back up. Chema sene and that year street. I send you for you any I send you for you na mami. Let's ya Salum the Gambia. Edim back on me ya panza menkai. O say say a pepe o say. And tafo bi di. And tafo mi oni bi di em the unfortunately refugee. Say a piece lolo ni a pico lolo. Malabekaya Salum the Gambia. Ah, mama no heavy roll. Salum the Gambia. I mean Chabeman Quine. Medra sending the Abeman Quine. Right, so this one says I'm blessing from Mama Chrome this morning. I'm enjoying the show. You are doing a great job. Keep it up, my boys again. I mean Chia Macro for you now. So bless you know I'm Macro and I'll pay. I'm Macro for him. And I'll pay me Chia him. Nana. I won't cancel and I'll pay me job. And I'm a chrome for you now. This one says happy belated birthday to my sister Tete Christabel. May she live long. So may she live in long life and prosperity. Salome from Adwuma Pentecost. This one says good morning. How is your day? Because in fact I'm really disappointed in you. For real. Come for the young gun, you are really disappointed in me. Music from a bravo. Ye good son, ye good son, my Ghana. Ye good son, ye good son, my Magna. Ye good son, ye good son. I friend and someone for ye good son, ye good son. And I can say fast. And my Magna, Sicambra will be able to. Bema Sicanu Botum Sabia was so Sisimuya. Unisika. I was so Sisimuya, and that is the fact. Now we see some members on Unisika. So this morning I saw something on my friend's status. And I think I totally disagree with him on some point. And I agree to. But the fact is, that man there, in fact, you see, any fault. Like this part of the world, elsewhere there are things that be very normal. But where we live now in Ghana, in West Africa, if it's not our fault, teach you if you don't have money, I will say we see because why should the also is Uncle for who's a maybe an eye or dog crassi kakra. Oh boy, no, yeah, grandma more time on us, dog crassi kakra. Drew your papa more time on us at the necessary. Drew your time with the assassin grass. You see the other Sika baby or dog to a bit. This is what they so start home kakra. As I say, all kind of uncle for if you uncle for can say, and you no crap. I no crap. Who needs to go in your door? Who chrome her? The chrome her, Ghana, her chrome her, who needs to go open or door. Hey, Uncle Betty Banku, now for the other this guy. Bankuna Betty. It's your summer, Sissy Musia, the Sunday, I bet me. I can't walk him. You was it. As I get but Talo Hosa, now we yell about Talo Hosa. Who this guy about to see some more than a patch of tea and ear pan. Fix man capsules. I bet my boy, you papa. What's that? Fix man capsules. What's it? What the happy peppy no be an idea. A beji mamma in the fruit, Moses in the Moyambrano. Oh, cockuna, I'll bet him up, papa. So open tatatanus one just a tatatanibia. Now go Jahona, Petre Betrayo. Send you about what to baby. What when this girls are by a Petre Betrayo? Or number ball, now I ask us over boss account. Fix man capsules, my patrol. Maybe I would say me somebody was so pebito. I am wow. Nine diwas a man and contact on in our mouth. Or cocoas are with me at Chenia. Fix my mixture. And so a ma woman, malaria, I take to Obichra malaria tree. Or see pepun. It is a pepun and there be malaria a 3D, right? I know see pepun a fever. It is a pepun title. And that's pie. This is your main cutting in our dream. And the patch of fix mala mesha. It is a 3D area title. Pepun Yarians what title and offers with Yaria title. I want what title code. Dizziness, no, yeah. So when you're honey, general body pains, which I say, Honamina, yeah. Not just say, what do you fix mala mesha? Mr. Pepe to Tosisia, wow. Skin rashes and so to heat rashes, foot rot from Yadia. Also, do a fix Arabella ointments. You see, your ointment in your ointment. But ointment, over to me, that's already any. And now, Faye, Masha rashes and getting TBS, you know, a fix Arabella ointment. And I'm recommend the Edamau. Right, so I available in all pharmacies, chemical, and also hair shops, or call Kanshia, Kens Walk Air Bar, Angel Wear Bar, Nana Watch Air Bar, and now for Zono Kodibia Enterprise, Ashama for Wisdom Enterprise, Kaswa for Tribe of Judah, Tell me about us, I would tell me some rain, I say, be also a pharmacy or drugstore beer, or pay, fix up and Droy the Beguma, not just a walk on crying, a Catamanso, not just a fix up and pay the phone number 0208. 444442 0208 444442 or 0302902071. Now we didn't pay the food in command. Amaje Hair Clinic. Amaje Hair Clinic. Watch him, madam. Yeah. Amaje, dear. Never join infertility. Hey, I dear Bakwa, hey, ya papa. What is Kawari Oba? If you be Nang crown TB of your order. And our bar was what check you when say problem be new. Nemon Bemano. Boy, Juma was so bobia. Ban 69 our yamau. Ban dog is so Bama come on. In fact, style be out, baby, to me, your man, and so Enti me mfa nkwala mma. Oboni has the obo bungun chenchena. So me ke. Odi bibia so prapra chiro nanso. Obo ane sejo na sabesen. Infertility the ya. Me so amaje se bra na fe won bo na so. Obo adwuma na so ban fa so me kire akwala bem. And the typhoid also syphilis, kidney problem, menstrual problem. Two are here the mouth. So when I'm in Padia, what's your punch at ye? Meet me the most of Koyo, what ye? Do you have a and a bush at my jeopardy? Fiso Badia, who's a you who in a way? One way, who will be at the other one in Mary, and up, and we are, and you may way. When we are 7, and look quite in a yammy, the set, where you may away. Would you know say, Jam, what you know, woman in call? Also, we are not back, Jammy, I mean, you were so sha. Make it more da. If I try my dear, watch him on friend number 0244877840. And 0205045665. Amaje, wire is a fee. So na nyu emu na na yeti o kwasasa na na ye osuban bi aye say yeti enuma ye ade say yanti asem ba ko bi na ka ye dream ye de ba show love letters isi a dada me bra na chere me enti mo aya mo ka say asem adwenya papa nya ne mo didi me bra tema anesa but you kind of great. Hey, love letter and coffee show grow and make about 2 years back. The kosher unya back could draw. Hey, me bra. Watch all that pa. Anyway, as I go call it more daily graphic or type it tak pass on through TV. No, no, so they be rap with you. Come here, you can crowd of shot here. Hey, Massa! When you answer the Mukoya, you move back. I am saying about something. Never need to sing at the hey! Over steady.
We don't take if you make a quadabraka, Tumrika, Ofaka, Manyaka, Patanka, go to Tataka, Wargatanga, Pokatinga, Manati Tinka, Swaka, Naswaka, Akunta Sanko Fatty Ata, Magic.
Kefaro, you see? Ebiadio. All those is your way over here.
That's what Bomeka, that's what Yaka, Akunta Sanko Fatty Ata, Magic Mystica, follow, but you me fill up.
Wash it. Yeah. Oh, that you will. Abra Rose, Sabika Casambia. Now I am ya. Mi refido. Saga. Now, Unique Diploma College is up a piano watching more than Chrome. Now, tell me Unique Diploma College, say. By offer 6 months to 1 year UK professional diploma. Saga. Equivalent to HND. It is our personal diploma in business, marketing, and administration. Diploma in project management. Diploma in customer service. Diploma in marketing and advertising. Diploma in human resource management and office. Diploma in accounting and finance. Brana Fay. Penya HND. 6 months with 4 diploma certificates. Offers you offer 50% scholarship at my first 50 students by picking forms. Now offer we ending 28th February. 16th. It's a cut days Nika Krabi now for your property. Your certificates are recognized in the whole world. And our friends who say we are Unique Diploma College, national service assured after completion. And our friends, you will be able to gain university admission at level 200 or 300. Or university be our person who could be ano. Right, you know. But Unique Diploma College now also be a diploma holder. You watch more than Huamino way go fully station. Your regular classes, even in our face weekend. Your hostel facilities. Your chance was Unique College. Opesa will try remedials and as Opesa will try Wasini BMA. We shall admit you in SHS 3 and offer you 1 year intensive classes to write both Wasi and the remedials in the following courses. And that is general arts, business, visual arts, home economics, agricultural science, and our first general science. Your fees are very moderate in your boarding and hostel facilities as well. 100% passing rate is assured with free computer classes. And now, besides, when you're free biometric registration for November, December, remedial students. And you know, do not worry, cry. Unique College got you sorted. It's open 8A, and that called Unique of your choice. Not just a Unique College. The lectures in the corner regular, not just it. And upon here, we are joining in a Germanis. Let's show the boarding facilities in the border form. Over to me, our friend was 05407793363. 05407793363. Now, we put the food in command. Now, let me share with you some tips why you must wash your underwear. Yeah. Now we all know that it is very important to change our underwear every day. very important. And you know, these are some of the reasons why you must change your underwear every day. Now we're going to personal hygiene. And you know, not changing your underwear regularly causes microbes and other bacteria to accumulate, and feast often causing an embarrassing odor and an itching rash on the skin. So to maintain hygiene and cleanliness, fresh underwear is a non-negotiable essential. So for your personal hygiene, me pacho wahumi die so be di huni intino. I was also some works on it, and also our health. Our health also are very necessary. On say I defend here. I want to say you. The young man can be call back to a body the most system with them now. I fire rare sort to their bro. It's I was a son or boxers and every day. I mean, I was so see. You see, Bama the and Kauni boxers a crown, and can you 15 to 20? You don't need boxers a crown. Official was bullshit. Not just a new 15 to 20 at least. Official was bullshit. Fuck it. Oh, they are 10 crowd, they'll be 10 here. Because I said, they a home 7. Official was every day be our one, maybe an hour week, and when you have me say, sometimes I need to be happy. Saturday upon washing. Yay! Now package with me a corner set. And so the only ground at least 15 to 20 there. Yeah. Fuck it. And this I was 7 and I was 1 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's our brave go baby. Official was with the good not calling set. And two more money chat 2 weeks, not just a 14 and no trans. Oh, me, I want to know what's in the year. Wow. And what's the sound so easy? Sounds of my comfort. What's so Joe? Where was I? Was shady? I was in fact. What filia? And I say, Honina, come up. Jimmy Pacho. You must change your boxes. And now, Mammy sounds so mal. My 4th point. And the 4th point is self-confidence. You see, so then I have finished. Obviously, at the same to be better than everybody. It will be one gas on and what Gary, what was spreading out there, but what is some funny Adobe? Well, then I won't say no. A boxer. I wonder, you know. I said, never remember, so Oba so count. There's a walk of top points red in tea. They be a red in a yes, you run a sick crack. If you so sharp black. Or more from one, you want so bad, the old sharp point white as an idea. You feel me? And the animal should have got white, cancer black, almost a shemu 6. If you want to crash, you move 12 near the not just a walk on Tony Desert. Name on no basso got dross. Now point Desert in here, red as hard here. Now, yeah, they over Convegazo and then Michelle red back on no channel or boy back on a peso busy. Sessa, who say about Sanan and Temu on my feet and feet as Anna. Ninja see you home. See a hospital, catch. Your hospital catcher is a dear fit and fit and woman and doing ya. It's a result of not changing the appointees and thing. My last point is still with dignity level though. It's a clean pair of underwear can go a long way toward restoring an individual sense of dignity. Me pride will come up. And these are some 5 points why you must change your underwears. It's your Bama, please. I ask sir. I know as a success. How often do you change your underwears? My patron said, your birthday, happy birthday, Cassie and come on. You share the same birthday with Priscilla Opoku Kwatin. Senkote Asia, Canadian birthday. Ebony was born on 16 February 1997. Right, so she was born in Kumasi. Otiasia and Canadian birthday. And today happens to be the birthday of Gilbert Abeku Agri Santana. Gilbert Abeku Agri Santana. So he's a Ghanaian broadcast journalist currently with OKFM as the station's drive time host. And he was born on 16 February 1977. In 2016, he was announced as the tourism ambassador for Ghana. And in 2017, he was listed in top 100 tourism personalities in West Africa by Bafalan Awards West African Committee of Experts. Right, so Abeku Santana was born in Koforidua in the eastern region of Ghana. He started his basic education at Koforidua at Nana Kweku Boateng Experimental School. And he attended secondary school at Ghana National at Cape Coast. And later he came back to Ghana Secondary School, Koforidua, Ghana. So Abeku Santana joined the radio in 1997. The time I were born in, that was when Abeku joined radio. So Abeku Agri Santana is 45 years today. And I'm happy birthday to you, big boss. Abeku Agri Santana. Some of us, we are super proud. Yeah, we are super proud of you. Happy birthday. Right, so of course we had the Padumas here. Some 47 minutes past the 11 is still tuned into 93.3 FM. Juma, my name Kobina Kosti. Call me a brand for the perfect gentleman. And I am on your radio. Big shouts to Kobe K, who holding me down today. Speedy recovery going out to you, my man. DJ Shabu. My boss Shabu Guma Moyare. Shabu anka so pay yare do. Hey, just say man is quiet na shabu yare. Na dia granny. Any dia be dia mo maga ninja school no metra he. Mo ko pa UPS for jo say yesra mo pa. Mo be be UPS branch back wo krom ha na. Mo man dia ngo school he. Ana okobia na shabu yare. Okobia no yare. Okobia no yare dia granny. Ana go see me boa.
Eno ano no.
O say mo be UPS back order. Because
I'm one upon with the cry.
I be buano and the enke.
So maybe you are high bob no man be was the
M1. Answer semester be obey arebe 18. Enye opay ale do.
What? The brother Sembiaba. Castro.
Right, so akosia the Paduma se akosia Andra aden.
I say
Andra live ben.
Oh, enye bibia. Ko baby kakra.
Right, now birthday no eko saying.
Na shede na. Oh na emuda hopa me enu akwa me se ne call but and then me we am friend no menti me am friend no.
And off frame. Oh. And I say me mpabo wa ko won nchen.
Hey, yes.
Off frame me ye adwuma no frame. Osi ko na
okay, wo mpaboa won nchen. Bi so osi ono mpaboa wo nchen.
Debi. Osi me mpaboa.
Okay.
E wo nchen ti no me pe time na me meje.
Okay.
I'm so no, you see Nyakopon eyi bogafo bi ma say ya.
UK for London for ne ade ade.
Etina ya ka ya ntin kofon so you see na she che mpaboa na kofon so che trousers ne shirt ne suit ne ade. Oh, what call Okofonche.
Wadan ha de.
Okroma de bi munya de.
Ebi munya de
crack ni de no crack. But sankofo na so na mo pesa that wo ha na afro.
Yes.
Me store no wo. O fasro no na kofa echi ho no ma. Na wo sia me se.
Hwe.
On charge so.
Wahu.
Eso na so kra de onya free UK beland ya na afro ko na ma brompa bo.
Ono so wan kan cho so Chiamiana on country. Oni Mama Florence say. Mama Florence mi ka say obeji we neja. Oni mi say ene ye be djuma. why later wontimi nya tint na fie nom enti ne wa ma wade o ye tin gum na kwatena adwuma na no mu wi akakasa efe
de odi ma me still na ebo ho
mesome de ebo ho
emu
kama kra adam me kwa me se mama Florence me pe ayi de twitwa plantain ni bi na oso
ya go se wa famaji
da bi na me po me se me nim kwabla me koto mama Florence yi ma me o se o fako
na just o chere me se me sum nko o na because me ti ase na nti a wo ma ye wan na wo famaji akonti a aye 2-1
se me dem koto ma ade
me special koto ade
enko na me ma asa
me pede minya ja me pa me ko ho se me ko koto
okodwa
me twe no na de won ba
so beba
ti ma twe no ba
ya to de no boarding
it's la no boarding de obaje mi akra me to akra me pede kra so keto
oh bibia
rice cooker
bibia
okay
na so obi
me rice cooker say
say o you don't know nwa na say no
say you know o say me call na me copy rice
ma from so omo ye heavy papa na ade ba kwa me mpe ono say na shi ya de bia me boga say dia wutie na wutimi koto wache wantwiaka
okoto we
me see me sister ba ko ton wache
na askoto wache
na she say we free e kan say landing aba na she koto wache eno anu no wansi wobium
acha na say
enche me see na she balance ai
no
okoto wache wantwiaka
oni no wasa ono sta no wasa oni no sta no wasa na
so think na she boga me sister losing me say na she free ayaba discussion unto odun so na yinantwidam to so na se num ya ne de no yigusu awie ya wa hu ne be we say wan krampo
o to the guy ko
wan krampo wa fi
ojeja do kra ojeja na chale de nako
nyama bebre ko kwabna enu ami ko baabi na he eto da o yetimamufo na nkasa ne yen ena ye bibia ntina ye shoot fra bansa ban memboya na balance aka chese yanka se ye mo ye ho ansa na wabeboye no hwe ade a yakko ho aka kwabna hwe tubotom won ufi race no so wona bridge bi da wa ye beka wo hase ya bridge na bu ye mri bi ka kwaka mu no ya kan ya ye hu deda no ene empenifo abeyi a wo se mo ba be ye bridge no ebe kwabosumi ni bridge no ho ne mo famba enti mpare ye gba ne se wo fa bridge no ho ne ma ne yedai emra enti wo mo 20 bridge no wo mo kire se ma obia nkonkotum anua na ebesan so agege
adan kofo to bridge no
na bridge na wo to bottom no assembly member wo ho no mo ononyafo Clement Atefa se bridge no wanya mu bibia na se mo nya ntam anya bridge na mbekọ na mo bukolu me si me de mani ya gani eko hu nkofo mo de boto esia menanim ya wo mu tum enya se wo mo level no po mu tu eti adwuma mpre no na wo mo de mammo eti wo mu tu anane me hu ba ko me koka wotwa mano a eno so so ko hu the same thing eti se bridge no mo nya mo nkata so mo nya gata no mo nya munsi no ni ehun se gata bi munsi ni ehun se bi ansuo na to na sanso de nsunsun aba since mo beje wo be yi mu ne ma se mo ba be ye na nkofo tumo na anano Saturday so anano so no ensuo to ye da na ensuo to ye Saturday no eno so nka ya fa obi akwala
ade pa me ba o omo be tumu no omo bibi ato so nkofo fa so na asa omo ne de
omo fa re nto so ankofo fa to ma pa kwan afa ato nchen ankofo fa ho na wonim se bibifo ya dwen mantem wono mo na ye te no wo sanua wo na wutu anua wo hia anua nte wo mom gu ho enti wo twen ya nsuo to a na etwe anua no begum a
no nsa ko sesa
nya se wo sa ne se keke wo tu
otu akoton ana se otu aye
just say ana mante mo akasa no so no say first no na omo ye dan mo wo ho enti e wono de gravel wo ho pa ti me hu obi o de bottle so asa e de afa akire wo kokoro
just say obenya si ebia na
sika wo
masa
ana ebi susu twe e de kwa mo fie kwa ye wo mo dan enti ma we ye ka kire empanifu a ononyafo kosi akwa ni committee a wo mo hwe construction so no yesre mo munya estimate no kwatwa niam na mo ya bridge no na bridge no said yesitie no anano Saturday nka ya fa obi akwada nsuo no toy na atwe akwala ne de nakọ tienye obi na hu ya kasa abrei eka okodi dadada ti mamo ntina ho antwen na eka ne sen BBC ansa na maba be kasa mu ya nka da ka kire
bibi fo ankasa
eti mo ma ya de na nkofo so se ya de ne de amont adwuma mpre no ana wo mo de mamo na se mo anya bridge na mimitie menka me huso obi ya menka wasam biom se me huso obi tu anua wo ma menka wasam biom
so wan kan wasam biom na de
because problem dey tell me ka se menka wasam biom ne se tie me dey tell me ka se menka wasam biom ne se hwe ade bo hu na o ka tira pani bi se na ekoso a instead of say ko no betu anamon na wasama wo kan no so wadi bim no otu anamon no wajai
enti uni mo na o ka no na e be push no so aye because o ka se o nka bi man sisi ati o obi a ono o fi ho no bia no so de kona e ha no pa o da say
I can say mama for wentwem enen nansa let me say damn first damn hu say obi oba besia pa ne ba hye na chi na wo tu anua no wo mu kwabra
e wo ho
na me kwaka ya Awurade Nyankopon
oba no twa wa no
jai punchlines
sa no oso bo mo na so ye ne video so
na say e wo ha e wo me phone so ne pictures na wo phone so me frɛ assemblyman ye video call nipa ko no kra keka nsem kira se ntina kam nim se nka ne ba ne de na nka assemblyman wa ye ho bibi na so hwe
o se nipa keka na adwe kira assemblyman
keka na adwe assemblyman jira phone so na nipa ne keka na adwe na assemblyman ni so ne besi ne assemblyman timi nya hwe fa wo assemblyman en frɛ me nka ntira me se akosua nipa so mesi na me ka se video no fa se ne me no wai
ya chese
eti wa de me na adwe no nka
na nipa bibi ni nka se Nyankopon kra boyen be ye den
na me de ha me ne se akwala na nka nsuo no to ya e fa no eno ene ha me akwala ni nim na okofa mu tin kan nsuo no e twe na ko
yenko fi na me sansan we bi se nse me ka se me kem ya anhwa na be tino preparatory
ma me preparatory na shit dodo anti na shikotua wo kan why tua wo kan na nipa so ade itka wo ho kwabla yen so na ye ntia mama Florence ne mama Florence ano o tibibi hu kire mi nti ye hwe anim o ka cha me se na ye beko kan sen davi ho
mama Florence
nti me ye hwe ye twen wo ye wie ya pon ti ye twen ofre
me ene unfortunately me ko fintem
o ko fintem ayu
me ko fie once my family me Ben's number
me visa de buy
na wo call phone sensi o
me call ho
sa my phone ba ti na me call me 121 bi o baby nti
ada lock ya na
me de call shop
ana what am alomi for
o yale me de call shop me call ye nyoma kakanga kra bi o nti no me call fie from Jenny me champion boating cosmos from Jibruz money abrante part of perfect gentleman me call so call the mom sambra na ye football togbo nyuma o twa be wo nyame gba meje me igru aboji todi $1